Hello everyone, welcome to Tyson Bizwick's Tech Tuesdays. My name is Tyson Bizwick. This week on Tech Tuesdays, we're unboxing the JBL Tune 560 BT headphones. That's 560 BT headphones. So these are not the 500 BT headphones. These are not the 510 headphones that I unboxed on the previous video. These are 560 BT headphones. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So let's go ahead and unbox. Right as we open it, we're greeted by the headphones themselves. The box, nothing else inside the box, so we'll set that aside. Set the headphones aside as well. As usual, you get some reading material that not many people are still reading because they can still go on YouTube and watch my videos and other people's videos, but I'll just unpack that and show you what this looks like right here. So I think this is a user manual that's going to show you how to use these headphones. It's going to show you how to pair them, how to connect the cables, and all that information that you need about the headphones. It will also show you how to play, pause, and skip tracks when you're using these headphones, most of which we'll cover in our review video soon to come. And for the elephant inside the room, or the headphones inside the room, ladies and gentlemen, before we go to the headphones, first, the cable. So I'm surprised that these headphones, unlike the JBL 510 BT, these do not come with USB Type-C. So this is a surprise to me, and I'm wondering why they didn't bring USB Type-C to these headphones. I was quite confident that these will come in USB Type-C, but they don't. So this is the cable that you get in the headphones. So for the elephant inside the room, or the headphones inside the room, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the JBL Tune 560 BT headphones. They do feel okay. They feel okay. They feel not to compare, but they feel like a pair of headphones that I unboxed recently, and I'm gonna take it upon myself to really dig right into it and see the difference between these headphones and the 510 BT. So these are the headphones, foldable design, like it says on the box, retractable. You don't really have a port for you to put the audio jack or the aux cable, as some would call it. So you basically charge them and listen. That's about it. They can only connect to your device via Bluetooth. So if you have a device that's not Bluetooth enabled, and I don't know where you would get that device, but if you have a device that relies on a cable, so these are not a pair of headphones for you. So this is what we have, and this is the short video that I just did to unbox these headphones. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use these headphones for a couple of months, and then I'm going to do, number one, I'm going to do a review of these headphones. Number two, I'm going to do a comparison of these headphones against the JBL Tune 510 BT headphones, and I'm going to do a comparison between these headphones and the JBL Tune 700 BT that I own, and I'm also going to do a comparison between the JBL Tune 510 and the JBL Tune 700 BT headphones that I have. So this is the short video that I have, and next week, Hopefully next week I'll be giving you the JBL 510 review video that a lot of you have been waiting for. So I'm going to do a two-part video. The first video is going to be a review video just telling you what I think about the headphones, and the second video is going to be me answering each and every comment that came up on the 510 BT headphones video that I posted earlier. So if you have a question regarding the JBL 560 headphones that I just unboxed now on this video, please comment below and ask the question, and I'll definitely reply your questions on a video that I will post in a few months to come. So thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Tyson Biswick, and this has been Tyson Biswick's Tech Tuesdays. Enjoy your day.